You know, you could be making a snowball with all that snow you're knocking off. Get out of the road, Trisha! Trisha! Trisha Ann! Get out of the road, there's a car coming. Jazzy, get out of the road. Jasmine, come over here. Okay. You can hear it crunching. Oh. Man, look at that. Almost my whole shoe went in the snow. Look at that. Look how deep it is. Well, this is good to make a snowman in. Jazzy, not right in his face.